In the event that you want to upload a large number of files, instead of uploading 2, 3 files together, there's a special feature that allows you to do it very efficiently. Um, so imagine that I have about 120 files and I want to upload all at once at Moodle. For example, past papers of my subject. Then what I need to do is I need to make sure that I have all my files sorted neatly into folders. Once you've done all that, you go to the parent folder, the biggest folder, and you have to compress this folder to a zip file. You can do that by right clicking on the folder, send to compressed zipped folder. That is a default option that is installed on every Windows computer. You click on that, and then the computer will compress all these files into one big zip file. That will then show up over here. Good, right there. And so if I click on that again, I can see all these folders in here. Good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to upload this zipped folder onto Moodle, and I'm going to go to files in my administration block to do this. Once there, I go to upload a file, and I click browse, recent documents, and I find my zipped file. You can recognize it by the little Z. Okay, select it, and I upload this file. It'll take a little while. This file is about 20 megabytes big, but it shouldn't take too long. There we go. It has uploaded now, and you can see the file right here. Now, different to all the other files, you can see that we have several options right here. One of these options is to unzip this file right there. So I click unzip, and what it's going to do is going to unpack them, and it's going to put all these folders and files exactly like we had them on our computer. So now I have all these files right in here, past paper, for example, and I have all my past papers online. Okay, onto a Moodle. So that's the first step. You have them online. Good. Now once you have them online, you want to show them here. And what I suggest you do is that you do not show them all at once here, especially if you're talking about a lot of past papers, but that you add a feature that is called a directory. To do so, you have to turn on your editing, and you go to where you want to add your past paper. You want to add a resource, because all these files are resources, and we want to display a directory. We select that. There we, for example, say past papers. Good, because that's the directory that I want to show. And display a directory. Here we can actually specify what folder exactly I want to show. I don't want to show all these art Moodle files, but I want to show only the folders past paper. Now, as you can see, you can be more specific. You can only show specific a specific paper. For example, here the 2007 November paper 1. Good. But I want to show all the files. I'm going to select that main folder right on the top. Good. I want it to be visible. I don't need a summary, and then I save and return to course. Once completed, I need to add obviously a name, past paper, files. Good. And I make that a heading 2. Give it that same blue as we did with all the other subheadings. There we go, and there it is. So if I turn on my editing, good, you will see that that file will be there. It's a nice little folder. Students can click on it. They can go into this folder and download the file that they need to download. There we go.